Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message.
Woody, Kevo here, mate. Mate, have a look at me, eh? I'm pretty filthy sitting over here, mate. I've got about 500,000 bugs on me from your little coffee runs you like to do. And, mate, honestly, I swear you were aiming those grinder sparks directly at me the other day, but come on, mate, what'd be the chance of getting a tub? Maybe reach out to GYEON, mate. You know we're sponsored by GYEON. Maybe reach out to them and see if they can give me a good tub and maybe a bit of ceramic coating. Anyway, show me some love. Love you anyway, mate. Cheers, buddy.
Kevo, it's Woody. How are ya? Mate, I do apologise for the neglect, but I tell you what, I've been flat out trying to keep myself clean, let alone get you touched up. But not to worry, we're going to go down and see the crew from Auto Protective. They stock the range of GYEON products, and we're going to get you cleaned up, ready for GROWL Racing's Performance Pulse Expo. So here we are, it's Kevo's big day out. We're visiting the crew from Auto Protective to give Kevo a well-deserved clean, paint correction and ceramic coating. So Kevo's been painted for over a year now, and the only thing that I've ever done is apply GYEON's wet coat to the paint. I've never touched it with a buff or polish at all. All we did was reassemble the car and get it straight on the road. So this has been a long time coming. Now, I've got a lot of friends in the detailing industry that can really transform a car, but we're on a bit of a tight deadline leading up to GROWL Racing's Performance Pulse Expo. Kevo is on display with GYEON, so I've got to have Kevo looking his best. This includes a full paint correction, starting with a wash followed by a clay bar using both the mild and coarse clay bars to remove any contaminants from the paint. Kevo has been sitting in the workshop, and yes, I am guilty of accidentally pointing the grinder towards him, so there was a lot of iron deposits sitting within this paint.
What are we dealing with? What do the numbers mean? Is that good?
So a regular car will be between sort of 80 and 100 microns. We're seeing sort of 4 to 5x that on a constant. Plenty of clear coat.
Wow. Can I borrow that? I want to measure the cruiser at the front.
Yeah, you can.
Once Kevo was clean and dry, we're ready to start this paint correction. And I'm really glad I got to see this process because I learnt so much from the crew here. To be honest, I was actually really happy with how Kevo was looking. And when the team mentioned they wanted to wet sand the car, I started to get scared. But now, after knowing how the process works and how much of a difference it makes, I was really happy with the results. It's worth mentioning that Kevo was originally painted in a mate's shed, so there is a couple of specks of dust here and there, which is why you will see a coarser sandpaper being used to spot sand these marks out of the paint. This is quite a time-consuming process, but the results are well worth it in the long run. Once all the specks of dust have been removed, it's back to a finer 3000 grit wet sand to remove any finer scratches from the clear coat.
Oh, she's still a thick boy.
Once majority of the imperfections were removed from the clear coat, it's then time to jump on the buff using GYEON's cutting compound and a harsher cutting pad for the buff. Then slowly working through the stages, the buffing pads end up softer, as well as using a final polishing compound. The car's then given a thorough wipe down and clean before applying GYEON's ceramic coating. We're using the Q2 Can Coat Evo, which is available from Super Cheap Auto. It's a quality ceramic coating that I've used on all of my cars.
We're at GROWL Racing's Performance Pulse Expo at Brisbane Showgrounds. We're at Kevo on display with a crew from GYEON. It's been down at Auto Protective and Kevo's been fully transformed. It's been wet sanded, cut, polished and ceramic coated. It looks $1 million. I'm very happy with the outcome. For a shitty old VR Commodore, Kevo is looking pretty shiny. And we're on display with GYEON. There's a whole bunch of products that are on display this weekend. Today is Friday, it's a bump-in day, so that's why kind of the shelves are empty and everyone's kind of cruising around. It's quite quiet. Tomorrow is going to be absolutely pumping. Last year the event was awesome. We had so much fun down here. I met so many people, and Chris and the whole team at GROWL have gone above and beyond this year. So stay tuned. Let's check out some epic cars at Performance Pulse Expo. Wouldn't ya? Would ya? Yeah, you would, wouldn't ya? What in the sketch is going on here? There's the dish on the Simmons. Just a couple of tiny turbos. One of the best things is just assassinate everyone's plates. A little bit of fry riot. And the day has come, Saturday. What a massive day. There's people everywhere, along with some sick cars getting around. Tokyo Undergrounds are now the new car park underneath the Rick building this year, thanks to Hardtune. Love that colour, that looks neat as.
I think the plate's pretty well summed every enthusiast's relationship with cars.
Yeah, the iron line. This is insane. I can't even believe how much bigger it is this year. So many more people, the crowds have put it on, and I haven't even seen half of what's going on, but back to the GYEON stand to see Kevo as I'm meeting up with some friends over there. This is huge, absolutely huge. an amazing couple of days at GROWL Racing, Performance Pulse Expo. Everything's packed up. We're ready to roll out. Huge weekend. I've met so many people, seen some awesome cars, and I've just kind of thrown the camera around and filmed what I think's pretty cool. There's a whole bunch of creators here this weekend, so if you want to see more videos, make sure hit the YouTube and check it out. There's content. I missed so much of the show, so check everything out. Once again, thanks to the crew at GYEON and Auto Perfection for freshening Kevo up. It looks schmicko and ready for a season of racing. We've got some events lined up, including Rocky Nats is coming up. We're going to do a couple of Lakeside days before that. GROWL Racing are holding Casino, no prep. I forget the dates, but there's a link in the description for that one. If you've got a car, come down and run Kevo on a 235 gangster tyre. Really keen for an exciting year of content and racing with Kevo, so stay tuned. Thanks again for all your support. If you want to support the show, grab yourself some merch. Coming into winter time, we've got heaps of hoodies too, so if you want to get yourself a hoodie, get on board. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Time to get out of here. Cheers.